Hello everyone! Today we are making chickpeas and garden vegetables, delicious and easy to put together and a great way to take advantage of those beautiful summer vegetables. I'm going to give you the ingredients. You can also find them in the description along with the recipe. For the ingredients we have zucchini, tomatoes, Italian sauce, garlic, red onion, garbanzo beans, thyme, oregano, red pepper flakes, bay leaf, salt and pepper to taste. And here we have it. Easy, delicious, quick, everything you need in a bowl. This is what I call the perfect meatless power bowl. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, join us, and let's cook together. Thank you for watching.